What's going on, everybody? I'm glad to see you back and have you ride with me on another service call. As always, my name is Travis and I produce daily content for homeowners and new and up-and-coming heating and air technicians, teaching you everything you want to know about heating and air. And on today's service call, I found a customer that has a bad blower motor. So if you want to see how I diagnose it, stick with me and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I just talked to the customer. What she's saying is she has a gas pack and the condensing fan motor is running, but she doesn't feel any air coming out of the vents. She said she's also tried to turn it over to heat. Says no air come out of the vents that way either. And what she said is for the last couple of days she's been smelling something that smelled like burned rubber. Do you know what's wrong with it? I think I do, and I'm pretty sure to bet on a blower motor. So let's go ahead around, let's start checking this blower motor and let's see if we're right. Alright guys, we're over here at the gas pack and we can see that the condensing fan motor is working, but I think with her saying that with the smell that she was smelling, I'm pretty sure it's our blower. Our blower is right below this cabinet here. So let's remove this top. We got to take the tops off with removing these screws, take it off and kind of see what's going on with that motor. Okay, I pulled the disconnect for the furnace while I was pulling this top off, and now what I also did is I took for the wiring for the condenser motor, I laid that down because what I want to do is I want to turn power on. Here's our blower motor. I want to check our blower motor to see if that's bad, so we can run it without the condensing fan motor and see what's going on. So let's connect power back. Alright, so our compressor's running and our motor is running very, very, very slowly. And this is what she's hearing with this motor is going bad. And what she's smelling is when this motor overheats, that burning smell will go through our vents, and that's what she's smelling. So basically what we're going to have to do is replace this blower motor. Alright guys, just to recap this service call, the customer said that their air conditioner wouldn't blow any air out of the vents, and she was getting a burning smell coming out of the vents itself. She thought it was somebody had burned, because they live close to the road, thought somebody's car tire was burning or something like that. That's what she thought it was. But she was saying she was smelling that burning smell. And the air conditioner outside would run, but just nothing would come through the vents. Went outside, verified that the air conditioner was running, my compressor was running, my outside condensing fan motor was running. I pulled the top, and basically the blower motor was just, you could see the blower wheel just spinning really, it was getting power and it was just spinning very, very slowly. And just in the little bit of time that I turned the air conditioner on, you could feel the blower motor itself actually getting hot. So that's where that burning smell was coming from. So with this being a Trane blower motor, we had to order that blower motor for the customer. And so that'll be coming in and we'll go ahead and replace that blower motor. So pretty easy service call. We're coming back tomorrow to replace that motor and get this customer back up and running. So guys, thanks for joining me on this service call. If you learned anything, please hit that like and subscribe button. It means more to me than you know. And as always guys, I'll see you on the next service call. Bye guys.